Hi, in this video, I want to discuss how to navigate your way in HR Tech. So to use HR Tech, you have to go to your favorite browser. Uh, like in this case, I will go to the Firefox browser, and then on the URL, you should put here the URL where HR Tech was installed. Okay, so it can vary depending on how the administrator installed the HR Tech. Okay, so but basically it will be HTTP and then colons slash slash, and then here you put the host name or the IP of the server, and then if there is a port number, you need to put that also. So right now, HR Tech is installed on my laptop, so therefore it's in localhost. Okay, then you click, you press enter. Then you will go to the login. So for login, it will be assigned by your administrator. Okay, so you will put here the username. So normally, uh, by default, the username is actually employee code, but later on you will have the option to change it into another name, no, that you like. Okay, so for example, now it's Kim. Then I'll put here the password and then sign in. So once I sign in, I will go to my dashboard. So as you can see, there's a welcome to my dashboard, and then here uh, I will see already my payroll. So by clicking the payroll ID, I can be able to print my payslip. Then if I am an approver, uh, I will see the approval, okay, that I need to approve. If there is any announcement for the company, I can also see those announcements here. And if there are any birthday celebrants, I can also see those birthday celebrants, okay. And also, as you can see, there is here a notification. So if there is any notification for me, I can see them here. Yeah, okay. Like for instance, I need to call Miss Santos as soon as possible. Okay. So here is my username, and then it is on a certain company. So as you can see, HR Tech supports multi-company. Okay, so you can transfer from one company to another by just clicking any of these company. Now the company that you can choose here depends on what was assigned to you. Like in this case, I have 3 companies, but sometimes one user can only access one company. Okay, and then here on top is actually the main menu. So we have the HRM, the payroll, timekeeping, configuration, and the government. Now, uh, the modules or the menu items that you can access here depends on the modules that was assigned to you by your administrator. So not all modules can be accessed by all users. No? It depends on what modules and items assigned to a particular user. Okay. Now to go to a particular document, for example, leave, you just click leave, and then you will go to the list. This is actually the first screen that you will see, the list. So you will see the list of all documents on that particular menu item, for example, leave. So you will see all the leaves here. And depending on your record restriction, so to know more about record restriction, please watch my video regarding that. And then if you want to see a particular document, all you have to do is to click the ID. So if you click the ID, you will go to that particular document. Okay, so the details of that document. You can also add a new record on a particular document, for example, leave. So if you click this add here, so you can now create your new record here, enter all the items, and then save. Okay. uh, if I go to the employee, so this is the employee. Again, I'm on the list. I can add the new record if I want to, but as you can see, the list is very long. Okay, so what if I'm looking for particular employee? Okay, so all I have to do is to type a keyword or a name for that employee. Let's say I will type Colleen, for example. Okay, so if you type Colleen, so it will search for a name, last name, or first name, or position, or whatever items in the employee master that is with this keyword. So as you can see, there is a name Colleen, so Colleen is here. Okay, and then if I will now erase the keyword and click this search, it will now go back to the default list, all list, because I don't have a filter here. So actually this keyword is a sort of filter, so you can filter anything. You can filter by position, by last name, first name, and so on, as long as it is with that keyword. Okay, so it's as simple as that. There are also some documents where you can see that there's active. So if I click here uh, inactive, so it means I can only see those inactive documents or employees. If I click this active, so I will see all the active employees. Okay, so this is actually a tile based list, but there are some lists that are not actually tile based. Those are actually grid. For example, if I go to the auto deduction, you'll see that this is a grid. Okay, so to go to the detail of a particular document, so again there is a keyword here, by the way, so you can also search for the keyword. So if I go to the particular document, all I have to do is to click the ID. For example, here if I click this, I'll go to the detail of that document. Okay, and of course there are also some configuration like settings. So if I go to the setting, you'll see here the settings. So if I go to the work group, I'll see the work group, and so on. Okay, so that's basically how you use HR Tech. Okay, so if you have any question, please put it on the comments below. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.